Google just quietly updated its free workflow tool, Opal, and it completely changes how we build AI automations. Before this update, you had to feed Opal every single step. If you didn't map everything out perfectly yourself, the whole thing would just break. But now, it actually does the thinking for you. They took a basic tool where you had to do all the heavy lifting and turned it into a smart assistant that plans, adapts, and works on autopilot. Welcome back to Pixology. If you're new here, Google Opal is a free no code tool from Google Labs that runs on Gemini. Think of it like Zapier, but smarter and completely free. Today, we're breaking down this massive update and looking at the three new features you need to know about. We're keeping it incredibly simple. We are going to walk through the exact workflows Google just showcased so you can see exactly how this tech works without needing a computer science degree. Let's get into it. Here's the headline: Google introduced something called the agent step. Instead of you manually picking an AI model and hardwiring every single decision, you now just tell the agent your goal in plain English, and the agent figures out the rest. It decides which tools to use, how many steps to take. It can search the web, generate videos, or pull from your spreadsheets, all on its own. This is a fundamentally different product than what Opal was just a few weeks ago. Let me walk you through the three specific features that make this happen. Feature number one: the agent step itself. In the old Opal, when you added a generate step, you had to write an exact rigid prompt. Now, you just select agent. Instead of following your instructions literally, it looks at your objective and plans how to reach it. Here's the exact example Google showcased. They built an interior design app. Before, you'd upload a room photo, pick a style, and get an image back. One input, one output. Done. With the new agent step, just describe your vibe, like mid century modern with warm tones. The agent actually collaborates with you. It generates a concept, asks if it's right, takes your feedback, and refines it. It's not just executing anymore, it's iterating. The agent handles the edge cases all by itself. Feature number two: dynamic routing. This is for anyone who has ever tried to build a workflow that needs to behave differently depending on the situation. Google showcased this with an executive briefing tool. It checks who you are meeting with. If it's an existing client, it pulls your internal notes. If it's a new client, it searches the web for background research. Same app, two completely different behaviors. Zero code. You just describe the rule and the agent interprets it. Feature number three: interactive chat. This fixes one of the most annoying problems with standard automation tools: getting a final output that isn't quite right and having to start all over. When you build a standard workflow, it's usually one and done. Interactive chat changes this by letting the agent pause, show you what it made, and ask for your opinion. If you use it to generate a room design, it doesn't just hand you a finished image and close the app. It shows you the concept and asks, how does this look? Do you want me to change the lighting or swap out the furniture? You can just type back, make the couch leather and dim the lights. The agent takes your exact feedback, mixes it with the original concept, and updates the design right there in the chat. It stops feeling like a boring one way form and starts feeling like a real collaboration with a creative assistant. This update changes everything about how we design these systems. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is the first workflow you'd want to see built with this new Opal agent? I read every single comment, and in the next few videos, we are going to be building brand new workflows using this exact agent step right here on the channel. If you've watched my other Opal builds, like the Pinterest Pins AI automation or the print on demand visual generator, you know we are all about building professional workflows that does the heavy lifting for you. This is how you build scalable systems. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those builds, and I'll see you in the next one.